Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking a quick look at the difference between the second generation 2017 Acura NSX and the 1991 Acura NSX. 2017 that we're looking at today has a 19-inch wheel in the front and 20-inch wheel in the rear for optimal performance. This is also equipped with carbon ceramic brakes with black calipers, which I think looks really nice. And this exterior color is called the Nouvelle Bleu Pearl. This 2017 NSX is powered by a twin turbocharged gasoline 3.5 liter V6 engine that is paired with a 9-speed auto shift manual transmission with overdrive technology, and that engine is paired with an electric motor which helps this 2017 NSX to produce 500 horsepower and 406 pound-foot of torque. And with the electric motor, because this is a hybrid, it produces 573 horsepower and 476 pound-foot of torque, which makes it to be a very powerful supercar. And this can accelerate from 0 to 60 in about 3 seconds. For high performance, Acura equipped this NSX with 3 motors. In the front, you have a twin motor which uses 236 horsepower and 54 pound-foot of torque, and this also helps this Acura NSX to provide torque vectoring during cornering. And this is the reason why this Acura produces 573 horsepower and 476 pound-foot of torque. And for MPG, you get 21 MPG in the city and 22 on the highway. This NSX has remained one of the most technologically advanced car in the world because of all the work and all the technology that is included in this powerful car. For safety, this is equipped with ABS and driveline traction. This has side impact beams, tire pressure monitoring system, VSA electronic stability control, and driver knee airbag. You have your seat control right there. You have your door control, and to open your front trunk, you have the button down there. Here you have beautiful seats with Alcantara in the middle, which matches the rooftop. On the steering wheel, you have Acura logo right in the middle, and you have all these controls on your steering wheel. And here you have a massive vent and the cooling system for the 3.5 twin turbo V6 engine that powers this massive monster. One thing that you're gonna notice is this beautiful brake calipers and massive rotors. Now these are all custom built, like the person who bought this car actually ordered that, and these are all custom made. This is the first generation, and the production of this NSX actually started in 1999, and this is powered by a 3.0 liter V6 engine that is paired with a manual transmission. And one thing that is really amazing with this NSX is that this is a mid-engine, and this is the first car to have a full aluminum body. And even though this is a 1991 car, it still remains one of the most reliable cars that you can actually own. You can daily drive this NSX, and you will not have any problem with the 3.0 liter V6 VTEC engine that powers this beautiful car. This exterior color is called the Formula Red, and this has let me show you the beautiful black interior. And this is what the black interior is like, and the previous owner of this beautiful NSX owned this car for 15 years, and that is the door handle. Very beautiful and classic. And to open it, you pull on that. I'll come back to the interior later. And this is equipped with 18-inch wheel, which is really nice. And I love this beautiful and original wheels that came with this car. And here you have a vent that is functional. One of my favorite features of this NSX is this beautiful tail light. Now, this is actually the Honda NSX, but here in the US, it is called the Acura NSX, which is boldly written right here. So some places you will see this as the Honda NSX, especially if you are outside the US. And yeah, this is what the back end is like. And here you have this massive double exhaust.